I'm Jennifer Harris. I'm Year 2 Biomedical Sciences. The things I've enjoyed most about the course here has been how brilliant the staff have been. All of them are top of their topic, I suppose, and they're really helpful and tell you about really interesting research that they're doing and research within the field, so that you feel like whilst you're learning the basics, you're also learning cutting-edge research. I also really enjoy the diversity of the course. A lot of other, when I first started, I thought it was going to be quite a narrow course because I thought it was only going to be going into one career path. But the modules are so diverse that whatever bit of science you enjoy, you can kind of slot in anywhere along that ladder and kind of develop those skills and those interests. With the Biomedical Sciences course, you can opt to have a year out, and that's between Year 2 and Year 3, and you have to arrange the placement yourself. But I decided to speak to a few lecturers to see what kind of contacts they had with the professional world, and one of my lecturers offered me 2 placements. One of them was over at the Peninsula Med School here in Plymouth, and I did 5 weeks of shadowing the research and also helping the PhD with his laboratory work. And I'm also going to Italy for 8 months to work in a research centre over in Turin. There's 2 main teaching labs for the year 2s, but the year 1s have having a recent renovation this summer on their new laboratories. Obviously you've got everything you need. The labs are facilitated for about 40 people, but the way they group you in your year groups, you only ever have about 20 people in the lab, which is brilliant, and you usually have the lecturer and a couple of PhD assistants, so you've always got the help around you whilst you're doing your laboratory work. The staff obviously have their offices within our department, so you can go up any time and see them. You can also catch them at the end of lectures, but you can also email them, and there's also a communicator, like an MSN Messenger type thing, on the school computers. So whilst you're studying at a computer around the university, you can instant message your lecturer and they'll tell you whether or not they're in the office or not. And you can obviously talk to them through that, or you can email them, or they could say, "Oh, just come straight up," and you can obviously go talk to them. So they're very easy to get hold of, and very easy to go and see, and very helpful.